In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover Snapchat streak. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Snapchat on your device. Now make sure you're signed in to your account. Now head over to your profile by clicking on the top left corner of your screen. On your profile, head over to settings. Now on settings, scroll down and look for the support section where you'll find the I lost my snap streak button. Now click on this to be able to check the things you can do to recover your snap streak. Now click on the how do I restore my snap streak, and this will allow you to check the information that you need to know. If you recently lost your snap streak, you can restore it with one free snap streak restore or with an in-app purchase from the chat feed or your conversation. You can start a new snap streak with your friend by sending a snap back and forth to each other every day within 24 hours for 3 or more consecutive days. Now that's how you can simply restore your snap streak. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.